In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add hyperlinks to your design and how to export your design so the link works. The first thing you need to know is that hyperlinks only work in documents. For them to work, you need to save your designs as PDF. You might use this in a product or as an ebook. Let's get into it. Start by copying the link you want to add. Select the body of text you want to add the link to. Click on the horizontal dots icon, and on the drop-down menu, you should see the option to add a link. Click on it and paste the link you copied earlier. Press enter on your keyboard and click done. You can include as many links as you need. Just make sure you're copying and adding the right links. Press enter and click done. You can also add a link to a portion of text within a larger body of text. Highlight the portion of text you want to link. Click on the horizontal dot icon to view the drop-down menu. Click on link, add your link, press enter and click on done. Now if you don't want the text underlined, highlight the text on the toolbar at the top. If the underline option is on, click on it to turn it off. You can also change the color of the font. Simply highlight the text, go to the font color options and pick one of your choice. Let's say you want to link selected pages of a multi-page document. You can do that as well. I've renamed the pages I want to link. Let's call them Home and About. Now these texts are still linked. To edit them, I'm going to click on the pencil icon and delete the link. Now I'm going to go back to the drop-down menu and click on link. You will see that it lists the number of pages that I have on my documents. I'm going to click on home and it automatically links that text to the home page. I'll repeat the same thing for the about page. Go back to the drop-down menu and select the page that I want it to be linked to. You can do this for any of the pages of your document, and it helps in making presentations easier. Now to export your document, click on Share, then Download. Under File Type, choose PDF Standard. Ensure that Flatten PDF is off. If you intend on using the link you added, do not flatten PDF. That's it for today's tutorial. Before you go, if you'd like professionally designed Canva templates you can customize for your own brand or projects, I've linked some in the description below, including the presentation template we used in the tutorial today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and share to your friends so we can all learn more about Canva. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!